The Filipino adverb or pang-abay, hindi kailanman. Hindi kailanman means never in English. Hindi kailanman. Hindi kailanman. Let us have the following example sentences. Hindi kailanman ako susuko sa aking pangarap. It means that I will never give up on my dream ever. Hindi kailanman. It means kinda like hindi kailanman means never ever. Hindi kailanman. Hindi kailanman means never ever. Susuko means to like give up. And then akin is my, and then a pangarap is a dream. Hindi kailanman ako susuko sa aking pangarap. Hindi kailanman sila nag-away mula ng ikasal. It means they have never fought since getting married. They have never ever fought since getting married. So away means like fight. And then mula is from, and then kasal is like a wedding. So hindi kailanman sila nag-away mula ng ikasal. Hindi kailanman ko naisip na gawin iyon. It means I never ever thought of doing that. Hindi kailanman, never ever. Isip is like think, gawa, gawin is like to do. Hindi kailanman ko inisip na gawin iyon. Hindi kailanman nagbago ang pagmamahal ko sa iyo. My love for you has never ever changed. Hindi kailanman means never ever. Nagbago, bago means like change. Pagmamahal is love, ko is I, and then iyo is you. So hindi kailanman nagbago ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo. Once again, our pang-abay or adverb hindi kailanman means never ever in English. Hindi kailanman. Hindi kailanman.